Okay, here I have the box. And the Bulletpoint thing that has to go over here. It'll go in that section. You can see I already put the other one in earlier. This one I'm just going to show you how to do it quickly. Then you want to remove this. I have the molding tool here. There you go. Just lifts it right out. You could probably use a small screwdriver too, but I didn't want to scratch anything. So I'm going to take these, and if you look down here, you can see there are four nuts here that you screw this into, and you use the Allen key, aka Allen wrench, to tighten them. You don't have to tighten them real tight. This thing will be snug. It's not a problem. Okay, so I open this. I'm going to just dump those in there. Let's put one screw in there. It's hand tight. Get another. Let's get it started. This is a very simple procedure for just a really great item. Okay, so now they're all started. Now I get the Allen wrench and tighten them. Not too tight. I mean, it's just going to hold cameras and things. And you don't want to strip anything. Those metal nuts are, I believe, just in plastic. So, yeah, I'm tightening them, alternating, like I'm putting a tire on a little bit, but it's probably a good way to do it. I don't know if it matters at all. There you go. That's all it takes. Just, one little turn each a little bit. That's snug, 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 snug. Okay, that's good. Now you can see how they sit on the dash. Now I'm going to put my camera on there just to give you an idea of how it will work. I have a Bulletpoint mounting item here. So let me see if you can see that a little better. Hold it up. Right? So I put a camera on any one of these. When you're on the street, you probably want to have it over here, because on this side, because the law enforcement might not like it if you're blocking your vision at all. So off-road, you can get away with it, no problem. But otherwise, if you're on the street driving, keep it on the passenger side. So I put it on, and as you can see, I have it at an angle, so the camera can go on there and have some distance from the windshield. And you can adjust this up and down. There is a bit of room. And the 1/4 inch by 20 thread there. So let's get that on. Now, to install my camera on this mount, I had to buy a special mounting bracket to put on there. See, so this folds back, that folds back, and there's the 1/4 inch hole. So I'm going to put this on the bottom of the camera, and then I'll screw this in and it will mount. Different angles, whatever. I could turn it probably vertical like that. Pretty cool. So like I have it here, I just lean it back a little bit from the windshield. As you can see, I added an action camera connector like for GoPro and DJI action camera. So that, and then I have the other mount there. But most people will probably start using that they have an action camera. It's much faster than doing this, although this might be a little sturdier. All right, that looks good. Okay, let's start it up and take it for a little spin just around here for a second. So I'll just show you that it works. Wow, this is really great. I wish I had this when I went off-road a few times, so I'd have something that was mounted and secure. Supposed to get some more rain today, so when I back this up, I don't want to put it in any dirt area. I'm kind of trying to keep it on the gravel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hemisphere Cars, over and out. I mounted it like this so the bolt is not pointing towards anybody's face. So for safety, for driving, if I have a passenger, I have it like that. So it's tight, it's not going anywhere. It's just a little safety precaution that I'm taking. So that's where I'll probably be mounted most of the time. And then when I have other cameras, when I have two cameras, I can mount things in different locations and get multiple views.